Hi my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and super easy paper bag cum gift box with the quilling decoration. Isn't it very pretty and cute? And you can just open it like this and you can put your gift inside the box. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need some 3mm strips, scissor, any punched border, paper doily, this is optional, velcro dots, half cut pearl, tweezer, quilling tool, comb, liquid glue, any pattern paper sheet and scoring board. First I am taking this pattern paper which measures 11 by 8.5 inches, and from back side I am scoring on 3/4 inches, 4.5 inches, 6.5 inches and 10 and 1/4 inches. Now rotate this sheet and from left side I am creasing on 2 inches and 6.5 inches. Now these are two scored lines which I am marking, and from this marking on left and right sides I am marking on 2 inches. Similarly marking on the top. Now we need to join these markings diagonally like this from all 4 sides. Like this. Now I am scoring all the creased parts. And it should look like this. Now I am folding these two upper parts like this and I will secure it using some glue. In the same way I am adding glue on other side and securing it. Folding the upper part and your paper bag is ready. Now to secure the closure part I am adding some velcro dots. You can also use a magnet. So I have already cut one circle velcro dot and created the semicircle. This is having a sticky side and a velcro side. On top of this I am adding the other part which is also having the sticky side on one part. Now close your bag so it will stick with the other side of your handle like this. You can just open it like this. Now I am just securing this triangle as well from all four sides. So this is done. Now I will start with the handles. For this I am taking these two pattern paper strip which measures 10 by 1 inches. I am adding both the strips with each other. And then I am connecting this handle like this using glue. Allow it to dry for some time. So your paper bag cum box is ready. Now it's time to decorate it. So I'm starting with my first favorite quilling flower. For this I am taking ocean blue color strip. Using the comb, I am inserting from the center and taking out after 2 teeths. Just fold the upper part, add little glue and secure it. Now I will increase the level from top and the bottom, and in total I will create 7 loops from the top and from the bottom. Now take out whole petal, fold from the center and wrap the remaining strip around this. In this way you will get this beautiful petal design. You can use any kind of comb, but I will prefer to use the comb which is having small teeths. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 8 petals together with each other and adding half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Now I am starting with the next flower. For this I am taking half strip of peach color and making one pointed teardrop shape. I will join total 7 petals together and I will add half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Now I will show you how to create these cute scrolls. For this I am taking 2 strips of grey and 2 strips of white. All 4 strips are 1/4 strip of the original one. I am gathering all together and folding from the center. Now using the tweezer I am just twisting it in one direction. If you have pointed tweezer like me, it will be more beneficial for you. It will create more accurate and pointed centered scroll. Now I am just pulling all the strip little bit like this, cutting the excess strips and securing all the ends. So the scroll is ready. Isn't it very easy? Now I am starting with the decoration part. For this I am taking this pre-cut border. I have created this border using lace dye from Dress My Craft, and I have used golden mirror cardstock. You can also use any punched border, or even you can add any crochet lace, any satin ribbon, pearls, anything of your choice. Now I'm taking this black color paper doily. This is also a die cut from Dress My Craft. I'm decorating it with this doily. All these decoration supplies are completely optional. It's all up to you how you want to decorate your project. I'm doing it with what I have. Now I'm adding my quilling designs. Like this. So the beautiful paper bag is ready. I have added the remaining half portion of doily on back side. Now I am just opening it and adding this cute little quilled angel keychain inside this as a gift. You can put teddy bear, even you can put chocolates, pastry, anything of your choice. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.